Loan officer training, 90 days quick success guide. What I'm going to show you in this video is what to do to get started to close deals right away. And all you need is one. If you have any questions about it, just click on the link below. It'll be in the description and you can grab the free download. And also subscribe and share while you're there. Hi, I'm Elysia Stobbe, your Mortgage Millions mentor, and I wrote the book on mortgages. In fact, I wrote the #1 bestseller on mortgages. So I've been doing this about 18, 19 years. I love loan origination. It's an extremely lucrative career and can have similar success. We hope, if you follow these tips and work hard. So anyway, so here's what you need to do to get started. So when I got started, basically they put me in front of a computer. I was reading guidelines. It was super boring. I didn't know what I was doing. So there are some other videos we've already addressed on how you can break that out sequentially in order to increase your knowledge and get started right away as a rookie loan officer. But in this one, we want to talk about specifically what you can do to close deals right away. And really, all you need is one deal. Purchase deal would be best to start. So whether that comes from a realtor you know, or your company's giving you a lead that's a purchase. So don't look at that one deal as one deal. That's the biggest mistake you could make. What you need to do is look at all the opportunity with that one purchase, okay? You want to focus on networking to build strategic partnerships, okay? This is going to help you increase your income more quickly and exponentially. So just start with that one purchase transaction. How many deals can you get from that one? And if you learn to do this with the one deal, every time you get a deal, you do the same thing, it'll catapult your volume. So what you'll be looking at, okay, for starters, you got one purchase deal. How many people are involved in that can send you business? One realtor, two realtors, at least, right? You have your buyer side. Maybe your buyer side realtor is part of a team. Maybe there's a transaction coordinator who's a gatekeeper who usually blocks loan officers from getting in to present at that company virtually or in person. Maybe there's other people on the team that need your specific loan products or how you work with your clients, or they love the way you're treating their client. Flip side, on the listing side, is that agent part of a team? Is there a transaction coordinator there that is the gatekeeper for other realtors that may or may not be part of that listing agent's team? Or if they're solo, they still know one transaction coordinator doesn't work for just one realtor. They work for a bunch of other realtors. Who else do they know? Okay, so now 1, 2, 3, 5 on each side, right? On just the realtors. Then who else? Title company. There's always a title company involved in any typically real estate transaction, mortgage transaction, right? Did they have any fallout? Did you call them to introduce yourself? Did you go to the closing? Are you going to go to the closing? Are there other people there that you can meet at that title company? What do they do with deals that they don't close? Do they have a loan officer they give them to? Maybe. Somebody's asking. Okay. What else? What about your buyers? Do they have a property and casualty insurance agent that you haven't met yet? Do your buyers, and we're still talking about the same purchase transaction. Does your buyer have a certified financial planner or certified public accountant that you need to meet and they can refer business to you? And best of all, these are all warm introductions and opportunities to grow your strategic partnerships that can catapult your business to new levels. Next thing you want to do is always, and this is again, your 90 days to success. You want to plan your day to prioritize your income producing activities. So that means you start your day with these so they get done. Call your people, right? So you can call all these people in one morning, right, from the same purchase deal. And if you don't get them, guess what? You leave a message, send a note, send an email, call them the next day. Ask when there's a better time to call. I mean, these income producing activities, if you do them day in and day out, the income will come. You do the correct activities and the results will follow. Of course, you need to say the right things to attract the right clients. So check out my video on unique sales propositions. But the bottom line is, if you do correct activities and say the right things at the right time, you will build your business and you will make money. So start doing it now. And then last but not least, okay, on your 90-day to quick success guide, set and implement SMART goals. Okay, we talked about those before. There's another video on it. It's good info, you know, and this you can break it down, you know, in the other example we talked about number of units closed. Well, guess what? Where does that start? That starts with income producing activities. And that starts with, I'm going to call X number of warm leads a day, X number of cold leads a day, or I'm going to call all warm leads and they're going to come from here, here, and here. Whatever the case may be, you have to set your goals so that you're doing income producing activities to get the income that will produce more activities, because all those referral partners I just gave you examples came from one deal, one purchase deal. And if you have a refinance, that's fine too. You still have a homeowner's insurance agent, your buyer, your client who's refinancing, they still have a title company. They probably still have a financial planner, a CPA. They may know an attorney. I mean, there's so many ancillary businesses that are tied in with real estate that to pay attention and create the opportunities where you're asking for those referrals. Okay. And last but not least, get a coach, whether that's a mortgage coach, your Mortgage Millions mentor, or somebody in your office who can help you, who will accelerate your growth and help you streamline your systems for success, because you're not alone in this. You chose the right company, you will have a team to support you. So by all means, use them. That's what they're there for. Okay, so if you want to make tons of money and see the results from your first 90 days as a loan officer, check out Money Making Unique Sales Proposition. There's bonus goodies in there. You can click on the link below. I'd love to hear your questions and comments, and be sure to like and subscribe.